So it's like super cold right now. Very, very, very cold. We are like, I don't know, minus something. And that's the way the birds cope with the freezing temperatures right now. It's like you see the snow. It's like a super cold. One of the coldest days of the year. And the birds hunch together. They try to hide in the nest anywhere they can, and that's how the chickens cope with the cold weather. They don't move, and they stay together. That's how they are. That's the way for them to not move, so they keep their warmth to themselves. Right? Not the roosters, not the hens. Even the turkeys, they don't want to move. No. Some birds are outside, like this. They just come outside, they eat, and they go back. So let's look inside here. Same way. So they try to stay together and sitting quietly. Right? It's cold. Look, it's very cold. Right? You see the rooster over there? They don't want to move. They want to stay quiet, still in one place. You see all the chickens? They still in the warmest place they found. They try to avoid the big wind. And when you have one or two birds, 5 birds, it's difficult for them. But when you have at least 10, so they give warm to each other. The male turkeys seems like they are very adapted to the cold weather. They're fine. But the chickens suffer a little more with a really extreme cold weather like today. It's freaking very cold right now. We're very, very cold. Oh my God, it's freezing. It's just freezing. Okay. Let's see how they do ducks, because ducks also get very cold. Some birds get frostbite, and that is very dangerous. You see, some chickens are here, and they also stay still together. For some reason, they like to be outside, but they don't move. Even ducks, you see the ducks? They are sitting down because they warm. They try to warm their feet with their plumage, with their feathers. They don't want to move because it's super cold right now. The turkeys same way. Nobody want to move. All right. So as you see, we don't need a heater in the chicken coop, and they're fine. They have their own way to cope with the really extreme cold temperatures. You don't have a problem. You okay? All right, guys. Bye bye. And here's my prince, my baby prince. How are you? You're not cold? No, he's not cold. He's my baby. Right? All right. Stay warm, okay? Stay warm. He's super docile. Chickens can recognize faces, so just like turkeys, like most of the animals recognize faces, but he knows I'm, friendly. I'm his friend, so. All right, Prince, stay warm, okay? You do. You're always warm. You're fat. Yeah, I didn't want to say that. I'm sorry. He's overweight, not fat. Okay. Bye-bye.